Okay, today we Kiana, boom. Okay. You clip, you combo big combo. Okay, big combo. I show big combo. Yes. You go you dummy, see dummy, and um, you you um, you combo this very easy combo. You start you start green. Okay, you green. Okay. No, you start blue. Yes, you start blue. Okay. You see this. Okay. Then you attack him like you see that very easy combo. Very electrocute easy combo. No problem. No problem. Okay, second combo. You QE auto attack ulti. See, very easy. You also can do this. Show you. You um you see enemy Valkyrie. You go. You see, and then you can also you can end combo with another WQ. So let's say like this, like very easy. You see, very easy. Kiana easy champion. You noob who watch this video. Okay, secondly, you want to you 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 can also oi, my bad. You can also, so when you running, you see, and you can also jump over war like then you oi almost you can also and that is like see very much damage. You see damage very big. You can also take green, right? You take green, right? You throw, right? You go like this, then you auto attack. See very big damage. Remember green very good. You run around green, give fast movement speed, and then you and auto attack also auto attack big. You see passive cooldown on enemy. You WC no he reset. Then you auto attack. You see orange. But when you take blue, it go away. Now it's blue, right? Okay, you see this. You see this. Also, you can when enemy river. Okay, you can also do this. Look, they get still stunned. Wait, holy, wait. Now no problem. Yes, you can do this. What the fuck? Anyways, um, you can also, you see enemy here. You have ward here, okay? You see ward here. Then you go over, right? You go over. You see very fast combo, very easy. Very easy. What else I know? Very let's go under tower, okay? Under tower, okay? Enemy here, minion wave here, okay? Ward minion. Then you go like you oi. You can also go like under tower, yes. Very big range, yes. Very easy combo, very easy, no problem. You can also uh, I've my bad. You can also do this enemy. Wait, no, enemy closer, hit minion, enemy want farm many gold, many experience. Then you can also like oi, mida you can also like see very big combo right there. Like you can also extend it, right? Um, you can also uh, you can also and not big damage, but maybe you low HP, you surprise enemy. Only one turret attack. Then you can also do like uh, very pro Guyana player. Remember to auto attack. You see laning phase. You want to trade electro good, wait electro good. You see many very good rune for Guyana. You can no problem, level 1 very easy. You have a normal Q, right? You auto attack reset. See, very big damage. See, and that's electro good, then you walk away, no problem. Very big damage. Level 1 maybe best not clear minion, but big damage, okay? And you can also like oi, my brain freeze. I drink milkshake right now. Here, let me demonstrate. You can also um, you can also like see very big damage. You can also do this like spam ulti. Enemy cannot move. And now I uh, fuck very easy champion. Remember, guys, very easy champion. Then you can also fucking wait uh see, big combo. Thank you for watching. Good night, Carlis. I mean, everyone who watched you